In this video, we are going to add elements to a list in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for how to add list values in Python. Hit find to search all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result. Now copy the code in a single click from here. Go to your IDE and paste the code. Before proceeding, let's take a look at the code. This line of the code is to import the accumulate function. Here the code defines a list called mylist. The accumulate function is then called with mylist as its argument, and the resulting iterator is converted to a list using the list function. Now let's run the code, and you have added elements to a list in Python.